Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Gboard. Then install this free app from Google Developer and open it. Now you need to choose Enable in Settings, scroll down, click on this gray switcher next to Gboard and choose OK in non-tension pop-up. Following that, choose the back button, choose Select Input Method, click on Gboard and close your app. Now go into Settings, scroll down and choose General Management. From here you need to click on Gboard Settings and finally tap on Text Correction. Now scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!